Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to use the library resource page in Canvas. And this is actually one of the courses I'm teaching right now. So just think of this as your own course with your title up here and your tabs listed on the side. So to get to the library LIRN library resource page, you just scroll down, it's towards the bottom, and you click on it. And it takes you directly to the page. There's no more login. You just can go right, jump all the passwords and everything, and you are immediately into LIRN. From here, you get to pick where you would like to choose your articles. And because we are in nursing, I would go with health and medical. And then you do see a group of databases that, again, you can pick. I would suggest either Nursing and Allied Health or ProQuest Central. I would not use PubMed because PubMed only usually gives you abstracts, and you're going to find out as you're going through nursing you cannot just use an abstract. So we're going to click on Nursing and Allied Health. This will bring up your database. And if you notice, ProQuest is also on this one. And I'm going to first start with a basic search. And I'm going to type in diabetes and heart disease. So I'm writing a paper on this. And click the search. And you're going to see that I have 200,000 results. Obviously, that's a little overwhelming. So we're going to now do an advanced search. And when you're doing an advanced search, you would be doing the same thing. You'd be putting in diabetes and heart disease. And in here, I'm going to try to narrow it down. So I'm going to say, put this in the document title. So it has to be in the title. In the second column, I'm going to put in nursing because I only want these in nursing journals. So that's going to be in the publication title. So in this area here, you can limit your search by the words you use, where you want to find these words. This limits it pretty much if you put it in the title. I'm just doing that for demonstration. But I strongly suggest that you add nursing and publication title, because that way you will only get nursing journals. Then click full text and peer review, because we do want peer reviewed journals. Those are the best when you're looking for a scholarly resource. And then click search. So now you're going to see that I only have 4 to pick from, but that's kind of nice because that way then I limit my selection. Now this one, because I put that in the title, it did make it pretty limited, but you can play around with it and use different words. If you're having a hard time, coming up with something, change your words around. I definitely probably would not put it in the title. If I can go back to my search, let's do it one more time. When I put diabetes and nursing, I'm not going to put it in anywhere, but I'm going to add nursing, and that one I'm going to put in the publication title. I'm going to do full text, peer reviewed, and search. And we'll see how many we come up with this time. So this time I have 1 of 20. So I have a few more articles to pick from, and that way you have a little bit better choice. The other thing I did want to mention, and I would also strongly suggest that, is publication dates. We usually say the last 5 years. You can do last 3 years, or you can pick the date from today and then go back to another and put your dates in from 5 years ago. So that's another way to limit your search. And then it also saves you from not picking a journal that's outdated. So basically, it's pretty easy to use this resource. It's right at your fingertips. We've taken out all the passwords and that type of thing, and you should be ready to go. This is a great way to get articles for your discussion threads and also for your assignments. So if you have any questions about it, make sure that you talk to your instructors, and they can help you with it.